Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to get a job at Costco. Now getting a job at Costco typically involves several steps. First of all, you can start by researching available positions at Costco. You can check the website or visit the local Costco store to inquire about job openings. If you're using an application, then go to Costco.com and then on the search box go ahead and type in jobs. When you locate the official page, then you can go and press on apply now and click on visit external link. Right on this page you'll be informed about all of the positions and the available vacancies, and here you can just go ahead and review all of these information and accordingly apply for it. Now after that, you can prepare a professional resume and a cover letter tailored to the position you're applying for, highlighting your relevant skills and experiences that aligns with the job requirement. And if the application is successful, you may be invited for an interview. You can be prepared to discuss your previous work experiences, your strength, and why you're interested in working and all that. And many employees, including Costco, conduct background checks on potential employee. Be prepared to provide consent for a background check if required. Depending on a position and location, Costco may require application to undergo a drug test as part of the hiring process. If you successfully pass all the stages that hiring process, you may receive a job offer from Costco. Review the offer carefully, including details such as pay rate, benefit, and work schedule before accepting. Then, once hired, you'll likely undergo training specific to your position at Costco. This may include learning about company's policies, customer service, techniques, and safety as well. That is how you can get a job at Costco. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.